Hi, thanks again for joining me in the Family Nutrition Program kitchen. Today we're making taco sandwiches. This would be a great recipe that the kiddos could help with, and really the sky's the limit as far as the ingredients that you include. So today we're going to make a turkey and cheese taco sandwich. I have some whole wheat bread, some turkey lunch meat, some shredded cheese, some mayonnaise, and some mustard. So for this recipe, we've got our bread, and of course a taco is in a round taco shell. So we're going to take a circle cookie cutter or even a large rim to a glass or jar and cut out our circular taco shell. So once you have your circle shape, we're going to roll it with a rolling pin to just flatten it out a little bit. And I'm going to do 3 or 4 of these. This is a great way to add some fiber and whole grains with our bread. So I'm just going to roll out these circles, and then you could save this crust for breadcrumbs or croutons for a salad. I've got my 4 little soft taco shells, and I'm going to add just a little bit of mustard. And mayonnaise. Just like a taco with sour cream and salsa. And you could do so many different variations of this. You could do peanut butter and jelly and add fresh fruit, or just leave it as peanut butter and jelly. You could do ham and cheese. I've got some turkey. You could even add a slice of apple for a crunch. Lettuce and tomato would be good. Really make it like a taco. And then we're going to add our shredded cheese. And then simply fold it up, and you've got your little taco sandwich. You could even attach a little toothpick to get them to stay together. These would be great packed in a lunch. But who doesn't love finger sandwiches? And this would just be a great alternative to a sandwich. Easy to grab and go and customize any way you want. I hope you give this recipe a try and check out our YouTube channels for all of our other recipes. Thanks so much for joining me today in the kitchen.